How to make a simple vegetable jave recipe. You require some chopped onions, tomatoes, capsicum, some jave and some mustard seeds. Heat a non-stick pan and add half a spoon of cooking oil. Add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Once the mustard seeds crackle, it's time to add the onions and saute. Once the onions turn pinkish, I will add the capsicum. After about a minute, I am going to add tomatoes. Wait for the tomatoes to soften. Meanwhile, you may add ginger and curry patta for garnish. Once the vegetables are done, add around 100 ml of water. Let the water heat up a bit. Meanwhile, you can add around a bowl full of jave. Cover and let it heat up. Once the water comes to a boil, you will see the jave softening. Now it will expand and you will be able to estimate the amount of salt needed. Add salt and stir. You can cover the lid again. Keep it that for 2 minutes. If there's excess water, you may heat it over an open flame. The water has almost dried up. And now it's ready to eat. I hope you like it.